This is a quick update video on the price of Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies right now. Nothing much in the market. There is not much of a correction or a retracement that I was hoping. Let's see what this week brings for us, and I will share my analysis for you guys. So let's get straight to the point. I'm on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and if you have watched my previous videos, I informed you guys that there has to be a major dump towards the downside for a healthy price movement. That will be considered as a correction after this huge incessant pump, all the green candles. Right now the price is in a consolidated way, but I still think that this is nothing in front of this huge pump. And obviously, I mean, just think this huge pump and then little bit consolidation, and the price is moving towards the upside. From here the price can again go towards the upside, but that will be just manipulation and not a real price action, because according to real price action the price of Bitcoin has to drop from here, and that is the main reason I'm not taking any trade right now. I'm waiting for a dump towards the downside, then only I will enter in a long position. I'm not entering short from here because I am confident that on my analysis that the Bitcoin has to dump from here, but as I said, price is getting manipulated and anything can happen. So taking a short position in this kind of bull market, I would say, not even a bull market, but taking a short position in this huge upside rally is very risky, so I won't take a short position as well. There are chances that the price of Bitcoin can just pump in a straight line once again, like it did over here. Once again can pump in a straight line and cross 100k level. Anything can happen, but let's see. I'm hoping for a price drop towards the downside, because the price of Bitcoin will trap all the long traders who are high leverage long, and 99% of the people will get triggered and they will get liquidated for sure. So nothing much in the price of Bitcoin. And on Ethereum side, as I told you all, that the price of Ethereum will dump towards the downside from this level, and exactly the same thing happened. We saw a huge red candle with a huge volume getting rejected, and the price of Ethereum is falling. And let's see, the price of Ethereum and Bitcoin are both correlated. Right now Ethereum is in middle of nowhere, because you can clearly see this is my important level and this purple zone is my important level, and Ethereum is in between, so I won't take any trade. I will wait for the price either to come here or dump towards the downside, and it will be beneficial if the price of Ethereum dump towards the downside. Let's see what happens. So guys, currently nothing much in the price of Bitcoin and the overall crypto, because Bitcoin is, I won't even say sideways, it is just on a halt right now because of the weekend. Let's see what happens this week. I am confident on a dump towards the downside, but let's see what happens. I mean, it depends on the manipulators, and I hope the price of Bitcoin actually organically moves. It will be better for Bitcoin only in the future and its holders, because I already informed you guys in my previous videos that it is a very dark future for crypto and Bitcoin. Same is with Ethereum as well. Currently nothing much on Ethereum because it is following Bitcoin's price, and if Ethereum is doing the same, then every other altcoin and Solana also. So yeah, this is it, a quick update video on crypto and what I expect this week. Let's see what happens. I'll make a short video on Wednesday, or maybe a long video if something really shocking happens. So yeah, if you want to trade Bitcoin or Ethereum, you can do that on either Bybit, Binance or BitGet. All of their links are in the description and in the pinned comments. You can create an account for free, or else you can just create an account on any exchange you want. Just don't get scammed, right? And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.